Hey guys, Mona here from Raw Strength. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the power clean. So as you could see, this weight wasn't really heavy. So what you want to do is you want to obviously catch the weight in a power position, hence the power clean. Obviously the heavier it gets, the lower you will catch it. But as soon as you break that parallel mark, or if you go lower than 90 degrees, then it would be considered a full clean or a classical clean, as a lot of you know it. So the benefit of the power clean is obviously to teach the athlete speed and power of the movement. What you want to do is exactly the same movement as what you would do in the full clean position, obviously, except you will catch the bar higher. You will make sure that you get full extension the same way you do your clean pull or clean. You keep the bar nice and close, and one of the most important things is you want to get your elbows through really fast. A common fault that athlete makes when they do the power clean is, firstly, they want to catch the bar with a straight leg up top, okay, so similar to what they would do a muscle clean. So then what ends up happening is the hips tend to go forward and the back tends to be back in this position, in a very unsafe position, so they'll go as follows. Okay, so as you can see, obviously that's not the way you should do the power clean. A second mistake that athletes make is they tend to want to do the power clean very similar to a CrossFit movement. They jump out with their feet really wide, so instead of actually landing just wider than shoulder width, so if the weight did push you down, you would be in your full squat position the same way you would do your clean. So what people tend to do, the mistake, they pull, clean, jump out with their feet really wide. As you can see, when I'm in this super wide position, and I see this very often with people because they try and catch the weight as high as possible, from this position you cannot go down into a full squat position. Another common mistake, and this is the movement actually from the bottom position, so from the ground. So when they do their setups, they will tend to go to the bar and they will grab the bar and they will be far back as follows. Okay, this is not the way you will get power. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the bar is basically, if you had to look down, in the middle of the foot. The middle of the foot is also what you want to focus on, or your full foot, when you push into the ground to get that full extension to go into the power clean position. Another common mistake what people make with the start position is they will be either with a barbell way too far forward, or their knees will be way too far forward as well. One thing that I just want to quickly emphasize, there's no one size fits all when it comes to the Olympic lifts. So it's very important to realize that every single athlete is different. It depends on the length of their limbs, it depends male or female, it depends weight category. So one mistake that athlete tends to make is they will see an elite athlete, or an athlete obviously of a world champion or world record holder. They would want to mimic the exact same way that athlete does the movement. You need to take into consideration how you are built and obviously your mobility as well. Another common mistake that athletes make, and I also emphasize this in all my other videos, is when the athlete brushes the barbell by the hips to do the power clean, they tend to bash the barbell out for it to travel outwards, away from center of gravity. Obviously you lose a lot of power and strength that way. What you do want to do is you want to make sure the barbell is as close as possible to the body and catch the bar in a slightly bent position. Guys, also if you go to the description, you will see I have tips in there on how to fix your snatch and your clean and jerk. It's all for free, so go grab that right now. Also, if you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.